What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are finally getting some more snow here in Ohio. You can see the truck is getting covered. I think today is the day that I am going to take this truck up and get this tire filled with air. And I want to show you guys, which so many people seem not to believe, that a two-wheel drive pickup truck will work fine in the winter. As you can see, we've got plenty of snow here. It's probably 4 inches thick at least. So I'm gonna show you guys that a decent two-wheel drive truck with decent tires on it will definitely get the job done. You're not gonna get stuck, and you will be able to go anywhere for the most part that a four-wheel drive truck can. So let's get this thing wiped off. We'll head to the gas station, fill up these tires, and I will show you guys what this truck can do. So it's been a few weeks more. This thing is covered. I'm almost positive it'll start up again. Oh boy. Well, that's not good. All right, I'm gonna have to jump this thing. All right, well, that was a major fail. I could not get this thing started up, so let me get this gas can out. I'm just gonna end up going to the gas station to get some fuel for this mini excavator, and we'll end up making a video on this today. I'll get this out and start it up and plow some snow or something here. So let's head to the gas station and get some fuel and get that mini excavator started up. So this is what I love about driving in a snowstorm. Really, nobody cares at all how you drive. I'm literally driving in the middle of the road. People just don't understand how to drive in these storms, and you pretty much can do whatever you want. That's what I love about driving in these. You drive a truck like this, four-wheel drive, I mean, you can just cruise. So heading back home, let's get this mini excavator filled up. I got the fuel in the back. All right, well, I gotta get this excavator out. I got fuel. I'm gonna start this leaf blower up and just blow everything off. That way I can get to it easier. All right, well, let's make sure this thing's got oil in it. The door's kind of frozen shut. The dipstick's down here. And yeah, that's got oil on it, so we're good. We'll go and try and crank it up and then add some fuel to it. All right, here we go. Turn the key on. Glow plug light is on. Just went off. We'll let it go on again. There it is. And here we go. There she goes. A little bit of black smoke, but it started. Let's let it warm up for a minute. We'll put some fuel in it and then get this truck out of the way. So the machine's fueled up. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this thing in neutral, and I'm gonna push this truck up out of the way so I can get this excavator out. Let's put the key in, set it on, put our foot on the brake, put it in neutral. I'll set the camera up, and then we'll move this truck. We'll see what happens here. So that worked out very well. Let me get on this side of the truck and then push it back in its spot. Let's do that. So that worked out perfect. The truck's back in that spot. It didn't really scratch it, and if it did, I really don't care. That bumper's so scratched up anyways on that side, but you know, this thing's been good. This machine started in the cold. This thing's a diesel Yanmar. This thing started when that thing didn't, so that's pretty awesome. I guess I'll set the machine up and let's do some plowing. Let's a little bit of snow here. Let's just start pushing some snow and see what happens. So this thing actually does a really, really good job of plowing. I am just amazed. I mean, the blade actually works really well. Let me set this thing up again so you guys can get another shot of this, but I am very, very impressed with how this thing plows. You can see some of the big piles I pushed here. There you go, guys. You can see, I mean, that worked really, really well. What I want to do now is I want to take you guys with me, and I want to go down the rest of the driveway. I'll take you in the cab and show you how that looks. So what I'm using here over here is I have the dozer blade down there. But I have a float mode when you lock it all the way down. So that allows it to just float right over the ground. So you can see it picking it up as we go. I'm sure you guys just saw that plow truck just came down. Pretty cool. So he cleaned it up a bit for me, but yeah, I mean this thing's awesome. This thing runs really nice. I mean it's doing everything I've ever wanted it to do. It's, you know, pushing snow well, and I bet nobody ever thought about using a mini excavator for snow. Something new, huh? So I don't know, good machine. Alright guys, that is all she wrote. We are done. Driveway is pretty much clean for the most part, and this machine did great. We'll get that truck fixed in a few weeks here. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in an upcoming video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.